Hello everyone, my name is Theod Nirinda. You can call me Theo. I guess that's what most people find easier. And I come from Uganda. Uganda is found in the eastern part of Africa, and I'm currently a third year PhD student in education research. Basically, I'm training as a methodologist. And in particular, I'm training to be a psychometrician. Psychometricians help researchers fine-tune their assessment tools so that the tools they are using to do research exactly measuring what they are supposed to measure or what they expected to measure, and that's basically what I'm being trained in. And I minor in statistics, so it's basically a combination of psychometrics and statistics, and I think my field cuts across different areas, because research takes place across different fields, and most researchers really need the support of psychometricians, so that they do not diagnose something different, because it can be detrimental to their research. So basically, my job as a psychometrician is to see or to support these researchers have sound tools that can help them achieve all that they have planned to research about. A little more about my background. Prior to starting my PhD, I was a high school math teacher in Uganda, where I taught for more than 10 years. And I did my bachelor's in Uganda. I did the bachelor's of education, math and physics in particular. And at some point, I pursued a master's in educational statistics, measurement and evaluation from the Rutgers, the University of New Jersey. And I guess the experience from Rutgers is what propelled me to look for opportunities in the South, because I guess I didn't like the climate in New Jersey. Personally, I'm not a fan of cold weather, and so when I was told that in the South the weather was kind of not harsh, it informed my decision to come to the South, and I'm happy I came, because the climate here is more or less like what is in Uganda. At least there is no snowing actually, because in as much as it snows, but it's not that brutal like what I'd experienced in New Jersey. As I said earlier, I'm training as a psychometrician, and some of the areas that I hope to work in or to research in educational measurement. I'm interested in learning how to validate tools so that they can produce reliable results, and of which those results should be fair to all the participants. I'm also a big fan of STEM participation, especially for female students, and I've been doing some work with my advisor concerning STEM evaluation, so that's the other area of interest. And of course, I love doing cross-cultural education research. It helps you make a comparison to know what is happening in other countries. So the kind of people I deal with, I can say it cuts across, because education research doesn't have any particular age, so I do not have any specific age group in particular. My goal for this program is to gain exposure to the different instructional designs and maybe understand the different roles that different models can play, and to share and learn from my friends or my classmates, so that at the end of the course I come out when I'm well grounded. Yeah, I'm happy to be part of this class, and thank you.